Let's see how you can effectively manage engagement on Instagram using a simple Instagram stories chatbot, and also deliver any sort of content for your audience or followers through this chatbot, and also send follow-up messages as well. So let's see how to build one over here. So here I'm in a demo account over here with the Instagram channel test chatting media is connected. So if you're wondering how to connect your Instagram channel, go to settings over here. In settings, you have the option of channels over here. You have to choose Instagram over here and click on connect button. So you will be prompted to log in with Facebook and choose your Instagram account and connect it. So it will take just a few seconds to do this, and likewise you can actually connect other channels too. So since we are mostly focused on Instagram stories chatbot, so once you have connected your Instagrams, you have to actually go to this particular thing, auto marketing, where you can actually locate any sort of tools related to marketing automation. For example, you can find tools related to Instagram comment automation, but here we are more focused on Instagram story automations. Build stronger relationship with your followers by automatically replying to people that respond to your stories on Instagram. Simple as that. So here let me show how to actually deliver a video link or a content when they actually reply to your Instagram stories. From there you can actually initiate a conversation as well, because if they actually replying to your Instagram stories, they actually simply sending you a DM indirectly. So let me share my phone screen and show you over here. So here this is the test chatting media page over here. So here we have posted an Instagram story. It says, learn how to build your AI phone call assistant chatbot for your business. DM AI call to watch now. So here they have the option to send a DM, and if they send AI call, then we can easily send them a message on Instagram automatically asking them to watch that particular video or guide, something, and also can send any sort of a follow-up message based on their actions in the chatbot as well. So let's see how to build one over here. So here we are going to use this Instagram story automations. So before that, we have to actually create a flow of which actually explains the conversation messages we want to send to them when they actually reply to the Instagram stories. So here in the flows, let me say AI phone call stories. So here let me create a new flow, AI phone call IG stories, and click continue. So here when they reply as AI call or AI phone call, this will be the message we'll be sending them. So here when they reply to this particular story AI call, we want to send a specific message to them with the particular video link or something like that. So let's do that over here. So here let's create the message over here. So let's say you can actually send a text, so add content text. So that means you can actually send a text content for them, and here let's say, hey, choose a first name, thanks for your interest in building an AI phone call assistant for your business. So tap the button below to watch now, and here you can actually add a button. So here add button label. So let's say watch now, and here you can even add any sort of emojis as well. So let's add this one, and here if you want to send them to a specific video link on YouTube, then you can easily use this one, open website, and here you have to simply copy paste that YouTube video link. So for example, let's take this video as an example from our channel and use the share option, copy this link and simply paste that link right here. So what happens is that when they tap on watch now, it will take them directly to YouTube. We are in the Instagram DM itself, where they can easily watch that one as well. Simple as that. And here you can even send follow-up messages based on whether they watch or not. For example, if they have, when they actually tap on this button, we can actually add a tag. So let's say here you have the option to add additional actions, add a tag. So here add a tag, and let's say watch video. So let's add a tag only if they tap on this button. So here after that, you can actually send follow-up messages based on the tag. So if the tag is available for a customer's profile, that means they have actually go to the YouTube and they might have actually watched it. So if they do not click on this button, that means they haven't actually watched this video yet. So based on that, you can add a wait delay over here. So let's add a wait delay, and here you can set a few hours or minutes or seconds. So just for the demo, let's just choose like 15 seconds over here, and based on that we can actually send messages. So let's add a condition as well to check for the tag. So choose condition tag is, and here choose watch video. So if they watch the video, we can actually send a different message for them. If they do not watch the video, we can send a different message for them. So here the experience in the Instagram DM is customized based on whatever the actions they actually take within a chatbot. So here, if they watch the video, let's say thanks for checking out the video, would you like to build this yourself or want to hire our team to do it for yourself? If they have already watched the video, we can send a message, thanks for checking out the video, would you like to build yourself or want to hire our team to do it for you? So just a simple question. And if they haven't watched the video, you can send another message over here. This AI phone call assistant is super awesome. Just tap the button above to see how this actually benefit your business. Here, if they do not tap on this button, let's send this message. This AI phone call assistant is super awesome. Just tap the button above to see how this actually can benefit your business. So let's do like this. So here we are actually sending just 2 messages, but here you can even send other messages as well based on the responses, and you can even collect few other details from the customers as well and lead them to book appointments. Tons of possibilities are over here, but this is just a simple demo of sending a video link and sending a follow-up message in just a few seconds based on whether they tap on the button or not. Alright, so let me click publish over here and publish this one. So now we can go to auto marketing and create the Instagram story automations trigger. So auto marketing tools, Instagram story automations, and let me create a new one, and let's say AI phone call, and click continue over here. And here you have the option to track the story replies on a specific story, or you can choose all stories as well. So if you choose all stories here, it will simply work for the future stories as well. But if you want to run this automation only on the specific story which you have just posted, you can simply choose this one right here. So it's better to choose all stories because you can actually promote the same offers or any sort of products by posting multiple stories in the future as well. So let's choose all stories and reply with. So you can actually reply with a simple text, or you can simply send a flow as well. So here we want to send the flow name. Here is AI phone call IG stories. So let's choose AI phone call IG stories over here. So this is the flow name right here. So I have chosen that one, and here reply to. So this is the place where you can actually set a specific keyword. So that means only this particular automation or this sort of message will be sent to them only if they reply to your story with that specific keyword. So if they actually reply to your stories with some other comments or any sort of messages, then they won't get any sort of automation. So here you can set the user reply to equal to keyword. So the keyword here is AI call. So if I show you this one, the keyword we set up was AI call. So let me choose equals to AI call. Alright, and save it. Make sure you activate this one as well. So make sure this is active as well. So this is already active over here, and it says 0. So let me actually open the Instagram over here and send the keyword AI call on that particular specific story and see what happens over here. So here I'm in the Instagram, and let me open this one and let me send this message AI call right here. So it can be all symbols as well, it doesn't matter. and see what happens. So I just send the message AI call and see what happens. So it simply send a message instantly and it says, "Hey Robert, thanks for your interest in building an AI call assistant for your business. Tap the button below to watch it now." So let me tap on this button, watch now, and so it actually sent the follow-up message as well. At that point I haven't actually watched the video, but now I'm checking this one. So here they can easily watch this video right here in the Instagram DM, right here, as you can see here. So here after they watch this, they can actually close this one, and here we receive the follow-up message. "This AI phone call assistant is super awesome. Just tap the button above to see how this actually can benefit your business." So let me test this again. So this follow-up message is sent to the people who actually do not tap on the watch now button. So it happens at the same time, so that's why I received this follow-up message. So let's test this again and see what happens when I tap on the watch now button instantly, because the time frame we set was just 15 seconds. So here let's go to the inbox over here. So since a tag will be added to the particular customer's profile, we have to remove it. So here tags, it says watch video because I tap on that button over here. So let me remove this tag over here. All right, so we can actually test this again as well. So let me share my phone screen once again and let me open the profile and let me send a call. All right, so we should receive the message. All right, now let me tap instantly watch now. So now I have tapped the button. So now we should receive a different follow-up message. Let's see what happens. And it says, "Thanks for checking out the video. Would you like to build yourself or want to hire our team to do it for you?" Simple as that. Hire the team. And you can even create a chatbot conversational flow to continue the conversation right here, but at any time an agent can jump in and respond to that particular customer as well. So here let's say I'm talking to the customer as an agent from this omnichannel inbox, and we can simply ask them to, "Awesome, please schedule a call at call.chattingmedia.com." So here I'm actually sending this message as an agent within this omnichannel inbox, and the customer will receive it as well. So here customer got this message right here. So likewise, you can actually build any sort of automations and customize it accordingly for your business. So that's a quick video on how you can actually use Instagram Stories chatbot to generate more leads. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.